Welcome to our channel where we challenge, grow, and succeed together. Today, let's talk about the PTE speaking section, one of the hardest part in this English test. If you've ever prepared for it, you know it's no walk in the park. Or if you've taken many tests but haven't reached your target, especially in speaking. So this section is designed to test not just your fluency, but also your pronunciation, intonation, and the ability to think on your feet. Many test takers find it challenging to balance speed, clarity, and content all at once. How to get 79 or even 90 in speaking, or just your own target? Struggling to get that perfect desired score? Don't worry. Today, I'll share actionable tips to help you ace it and reach your goal. One of the biggest mistakes many test takers make is relying solely on AI tools to evaluate their speaking. While they can be helpful, you must have someone, a teacher, mentor, or even a fluent speaker, give you real feedback on your pronunciation, fluency, and tone. AI can't always catch the subtle nuances that matter in the speaking test. To score high, focus on clarity and pronunciation. Read naturally, like you're speaking to a friend, but avoid rushing. The key is to maintain fluency while emphasizing important words. For Read Aloud, focus on clear pronunciation and fluency by grouping sentences into chunks of content words that flow naturally. Quickly scan the text to understand its meaning and identify tricky pronunciations before speaking. Pay special attention to pronouncing longer words correctly, stressing the key syllables. Emphasize important words in each group. Maintain natural intonation and avoid unnecessary pauses. Read confidently and smoothly to ensure your delivery sounds natural and well-paced. For repeat sentence, train your short-term memory. Listen carefully and repeat exactly what you hear. If you miss a word, don't stop. Keep the rhythm and try to match the intonation. Structure your response. Start with an overview, mention key details, and finish with a conclusion. Practice a simple template to avoid pauses or hesitations. Beware, repeat sentence is the ultimate test killer. Master it, or risk losing crucial points. We could take quick notes using keywords, or try to memorize those keywords. Focus on the main idea and supporting points. Don't try to repeat everything. Summarize with good fluency and intonation. Remember, practice is your best friend. Use these tips daily and you'll be speaking your way to a perfect 90 in no time. Good luck. Have questions about strategies to boost your PTE score, especially in the speaking section? Drop a comment below. I'd love to share my journey to achieving a perfect 90 in speaking and help you reach your goal. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments below and don't forget to like and share our video.